Hey guys, so this week we are doing a 2 week job. It is the last job of the season. Very lucky for us, it is indoors, so no worrying about having to cover anything with blankets. Stick around for both sides of the project getting excavated, getting prepped, and my favorite part, the pours. Thanks for sticking around this year. Don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. See you then, guys. Bye.
All right, guys, there it is. We got this all torn out, brought in some rotabase, compacted what's here. You can see that there's a bunch of rebar here because that area is over here. We're gonna pick it up and put it back once they dig this area out and move some plumbing around. But we went as close as we could to these edges. We're gonna go to the top of the foundation this time around, go around here. This had to stay because these walls didn't come out. And then here's a garage, good to go. We're gonna be pouring that garage on Monday. Today is Saturday. So same here, we cut as close as we could, and then we'll be going out to there. This garage used to be kind of humped like that, so when they poured the driveway, they kind of followed that hump, and now we're following the driveway hump. So, but this should come out really good. Thanks for sticking around, guys. I can't wait to see y'all at the pour. Have a great day. Bye. Después de cortar, no, y Cristian le mete la flota ahí. Hey guys, you're probably wondering, what am I doing not wearing a J&M Concrete shirt? Well, this shirt is from a great group of people called the Houses. I think you all know them. They have a great channel, do the same thing we do, probably way even better than us, I think. Look them up. It's Concrete with the Houses. They send us a shirt from way up in Pennsylvania. We're just glad that they sent us one. So I'm rocking their logo here while we're getting our job done. Shout out to Tom and the family. Thanks for sending us a shirt. Ours should be there soon. Thanks, guys. ¿Estoy grabando bien? Sí. Hey guys, so there it is, last job of the season. This is the floor that got poured a few weeks ago before Thanksgiving. We were waiting on a plumber to do this in here so that we could pour the floor. There it is, guys. Floor came out really nice. We pinned into the surrounding, got our expansion all the way around there. Everything came out really, really nice. They're gonna do a wall from here for a shower, and then this wall come here, and then the toilet and stuff will be over there. But there it is, guys. We appreciate you guys hanging around this whole year. We will see you next year. This was the last job of the season, unless something comes up that's indoors. But we'll see you guys next year, and thanks for watching all our videos. Shout out to all the other concrete guys. Hopefully you guys all had a great year. Check out all the other channels, and thanks, guys. Have a great day. I'll make a couple updates. We're going to World of Concrete again this coming year, so I'll throw in a couple updates here and there. See you later, guys. Bye.